The diagram below shows two spheres A and B. Given that the volume of B is 2/3 the volume of A, calculate the radius of B. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. As the radius of sphere A is given, we can calculate the volume of sphere A. So V of A is equal to 4/3 times 3.142, the approximate value for pi, times the radius of sphere A is 6 cubed. When I put this value into calculator, let me take the cube of 8 first, of 6 rather. 6 cubed is 216 times 3.142 times 4. That gives me 2714.7 approximately. Then divided by 3. Divided by 3 give me 904.9 approximately centimeter cube. That's the volume of sphere A. And then the question says the volume of sphere B is 2/3 of that of A. The volume of B, therefore, let me call it V subscript B, is 2/3 times that of A, which is 904.9. 904.9 times 2 divided by 3 times 2, and is 1809.8 divided by 3 give us 603.3. The volume of B is 603.3 centimeter cube, but it's not volume of B they ask us to calculate. Rather, they ask us to calculate the radius of B. So if volume of B is this, we can use that to get the radius. Going back to the volume of sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. The volume of B, VB, is 603.3 equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. That means 603.3 is equal to 4 times the value of pi, approximately 3.142 times r cubed divided by 3. This is over 1. When I cross multiply, I have, by the way, 4 times 3.142 rather. 4 times 3.142 times 12.6 approximately, have 12.6 r cubed. I cross multiply this, and then 603.3 multiplied by 3. Let me do that to my calculator. 603.3 multiplied by 3. That gives us 1809.9. 1809.9 approximately. Divide both sides by 12.6. 12.6. Then this 12.6 and cancel this. R cubed is equal to divided by 12.6, 143.6 approximately. 143.6. That means R is the cube root of 143.6. Checking the cube root of that. Our cube root of 143.6 cube root is 5.2 approximately. The R is 5.2 centimeter. And that brings us to the end of this question. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more of this. And thank you very much.